y'all. Ain't that just the prettiest sunset you've ever seen? Unfortunately, the winds have picked up just like we do every night around this time. And it's too windy to cook on the griddle. Remind me to tell you about my hard cover, which is covered by a soft cover. Anyway, we're still gonna cook supper. Brr, it's cold. Where were we? Raviolis. I'm gonna cook these in the air fryer. And a friend of mine gave me the idea, and these come out with the inside comes nice and soft and hot and tasty. The outside's got a little bit of crunch to it, and they're delicious. And we just dip them in, warm up a little bit of pasta sauce in a little cup and dip them, and we got a good supper. Or a appetizer, or a hors d'oeuvre, if you're being fancy. And pretty much any kind of raviolis work. Normally, these are say to boil. A lot of stuff that I air fry. A general rule of thumb, if you've got some oven directions, you just look at that. Take the temperature, the same temperature it says for oven cooking. Use that in your air fryer. But as a general rule of thumb, I divide the time in half and add 1 minute. And most of the time that comes out pretty good. Divide by 2, add 1. In this case, these are boiling instructions, and I'll probably do, I can't remember, 3 or 4 minutes. I'll do 1 pack at a time, spread them around, and my air fryer doesn't need preheated. If yours does, preheat it. If you need to spray stuff with oil, spray it with oil. I don't have to do all that. Anyway, that's what we're doing today, is air frying some goat cheese, sun-dried tomato ravioli, and cacio e pepe, cheese and pepper raviolis. I really like Trader Joe's lobster raviolis too, by the way. Anyway, that's what we're doing tonight. And sorry I'm not gonna bother showing you everything, but you get the idea. And instead I'll show you the cold wind blowing through the leaves, and the pretty sunset, and the pretty mountains, and the pretty valley, and the wine grape thing that's there now. That used to be a avocado grove. Anyway, thanks for watching, y'all, and we'll see you next time. Hopefully the wind won't be blowing. I've been craving some smash burgers and haven't made any in a while. Okay, we'll see you later. Bye! Okay, I couldn't leave without showing you the fruits of my labor. Check this out. Doesn't that look yummy? Yes, it does. Crunchy crust with the yummy, soft, meaty and or cheesy innards. And we got some Rao's marinara to dip it in. And I didn't tell you the temperature. That's one reason I came back anyway. 385, and I did 4 minutes. And just look at that. Yeah, I can turn them over and get the bottom crispy too. or crispier, but I think these are just fine. Ooh, it's hot too. Okay, thanks for watching. Bye!